shot is made of metal. The men's shot weight is 7.26 kg and is 110 to 130 mm in diameter. Women's put a 4 kg shot that is 95 to 110 mm in diameter. Men's world record is 23.12 meters. He is named Randy Barnes. And women's world record is 22.63. Her name Natalia. And the record in India, men's 20.92 meter. He is named Tejinder 2. And women 17.96 meter. Her name Manpreet Kaur. Next we see shot put sector. Shot put sector diameter is 2.135 meter and shot landing area 20 meters to 25 meter. Thickness of lines 5 centimeter and shot board is height 10 centimeter, length 1.22 meter and width 30 centimeter. Now we see gliding technique. In the gliding technique, first step is grip. The first step of the shot put glide technique is to pick up the shot. Place the shot on the base of your fingers, not in the palm, and spread your fingers slightly. Next, holding the shot. Push the shot firmly against your neck under the chin. Your thumb should be below the shot with your throwing elbow pointed outwards, away from your body. Your throwing arm should be at about a 45-degree angle to the ground. Stance. Stand at the back of the circle, facing away from the target. The right-handed thrower should place the right foot near the back edge of the circle, with the left leg extended forward. Seated position. Keeping most of your weight on the right foot. Bend your knees as if you were moving back into a seated position, while drawing your left leg back so the toes of your left foot line up with the heels of your right. Glide. Extend your left leg towards the target area and push off with your right foot, gliding to the front of the circle while keeping your center of the mass low. Your feet should land simultaneously with your left foot is the front of the circle, just behind the toe board and slightly left of the center, and your right foot is the middle of the circle. Your weight should be on your right leg and your right knee should be bent approximately 75 degrees. Power position. You should now be in the power position with your feet shoulder width apart, the left arm extended from the body and your knees bent. Pivot. Keep your right elbow up as you shift your weight to the left. Strengthen your left leg as you rotated your hip so they squat to the target. Throw the shot. Keeping your left side firm, push your arm upward and complete the throw with a flip of your wrist and a strong follow through. Summary. Remember, your throws power being in your legs and flows upward through your hips, back and arms.